Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Heygen AI and create text to avatar videos. If you want to have AI avatar video like this, for example, I'm going to show you the result. Okay, like this one's right here. I didn't expect the term to work so fast. So you can just follow what I do. Let's go back to the Heygen home page right here. Now you can just click on this quick avatar video, or also this one interactive avatar. I'm going to just use this one. Now you can choose your avatar, so you can go with public avatars, the avatar provided by Heygen, or you can also use your own photo. Click on my avatar in here and you can upload your avatar. So I'm going to just use the public avatar, select the person and also the voice. I'm going to just go with this one, with Leo's, for example. Click on the avatar, and here you can see it has 8 looks. You can just choose which one. I'm going to go with sofa side. Click on add script. Now add the script. Hi guys, this is how you can use Heygen to create an AI avatar video. Now choose the voice. You can click on this one to change it, but I'm going to just go with the default. You can click on the play button to review the preview the voice first. Okay, so I'm going to use this voice. Now you can also use custom motion, whether it's calm and composed, excited, warm and welcoming, or thoughtful and intense. So once you're done with the prompt and also the voice, you can just hit on generate video, and after that your AI avatar video will be done in seconds. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.